In this video, I will guide you on how to add subtitles automatically using InShot App. First thing you want to do is launch open the InShot app. Make sure to log into your account because you will require this in order to generate caption. Now tap on the video option. You can select a new video or use an existing video. Now tap on the option of text. Here you will find the option of caption. Tap on that. Now select language and from here select your preferred language or you can leave it to auto detect. Then select your audio source. After that over here select the template. Once you tap on it, you will find the preview on your screen. Once you're happy with the template, tap on the start option. Now you can select either 7-day free trial or the free caption. If you select free caption, you will have to watch one ad. Once the ad is completed, your free caption will be generated automatically. Now you can simply preview it over here. If you're happy with the result, tap on the export option at the top. And in this way, you can easily generate subtitles automatically using InShot app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.